This is a 1938 Ford Roadster. It's a dark maroon in color. And it's the deluxe version. Deluxe version had a little bit higher horsepower than the standard. Had 85 horsepower. Standard had 60 horsepower. There you see the specifications. You notice that the hood ornament turned to the side to open the latch for the hood. Very ingenious. We got the running board and the wide white walls. Now we're opening the door to check out the leather upholstery. Banjo type steering wheel. Nice instrumentation, wood grain, painted wood grain there on the dash. Radio. Of course, it has a 4-shift. Four shifts were just about obsolete by that time. I think by 39, most cars had shift mounted on the column. And here you see the steps down there for the getting into the rumble seat there. Yes, we're getting to the point where cars were starting to evolve and the running boards were starting to disappear. Very nice indeed. And there's the stylized headlamps.